Excel is all a part of the world around us. It is used for everything. There is not a single job out there for accountants that won't use Excel. You can use it for charts, formulas, and impossibly long calculations that would take forever to do by hand. Excel is one of the ways to help understand accounting, which is, in turn, to help understand the language of business. Excel is simple and difficult at the same time because it can be simple by just developing a simple data sheet or by creating regressions and pivot tables. There is not a time in anyone's life that they will never use it. It's all over. There's even Google Sheets, which is a free program. Excel is one of those applications that is used that not one person knows everything about it. Nobody can understand every single formula or calculation. It is always updating with new information and always has been. Creating new potentials and everything. Some pros, it's easy and quick to calculate figures. Cell referring allows for easy modeling of scenarios and forecasting. It has built-in functions, decent amount of add-ins like for regressions and numerical solving. Good for charts, businesses, graphs. Easy to learn micro language. Some cons, limited amount of rows and columns, which isn't true by all means unless you use all thousands of columns or rows. Memory and CPU, which takes up a lot of space. Numeric precision is not high by scientific standards. Formulas will often output a value with a limited number of figures, which could cause some errors if inputted incorrectly or the formula did not take the formula properly. You can't have multiple people working on it. Like Google Docs is by far the best thing to collaborate on. You can only have one user work on a spreadsheet at a time in Excel. But you can send that spreadsheet to other people and then they can edit it, but they can't edit it at the same time. It's also very expensive if you don't get it in the package of everything else. And Excel is literally everything. There's nothing out there that really does not use Excel. You have not learned Excel yet. It's very difficult to get anywhere in life.